Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the IMAYCC Scissor Jack for car. A robust 2-ton car jack kit designed for quick and efficient tire changes. This versatile tool boasts a lifting range from 3.9 inches to 15.2 inches, accommodating a wide variety of vehicles including sedans, SUVs, and MPVs. With its bi-directional mechanical design, this scissor jack requires 90% less effort to lift your vehicle and offers twice the lifting speed compared to other jacks. Its thickened and enlarged base plate ensures stability, while the reinforced rolled edges and heavy-duty steel construction withstand high pressure, making it both stable and durable. The kit includes a 2-ton scissor jack and a ratchet handle, providing everything you need for a hassle-free tire change. Plus, you can enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year worry-free after-sales service, offering free exchanges or refunds for any quality issues. So, whether you're on the road or in your garage, the IMAYCC Scissor Jack is your reliable partner for all your tire changing needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.